Hi, I'm Natasha Denona. This season, I am celebrating my 5th year anniversary eyeshadow palettes launch with my brand new Metropolis Palette. I'm starting with Symbol, which comes in the new, very rich cream powder formula. A couple of shades are coming in this formula. So I'm focusing first on the lower lash line, but only on the outer third, and working upwards. And also blending in, covering a little bit of the outer part of the lid, keeping a diagonal line. Shield is a pressed powder, foiled eyeshadow. I'm pressing it into the inner corner but onto the lid. With Lethal, I'm going to blend the outer corner and will then also connect both corners. With Rope, I'm blending the upper edge for diffusion. I'm picking up Shield again, and I will mimic the exact placements of the eyeshadows on the lower lash line. So Shield is for the inner corner, and Troop underneath the dark shade on the lower outer corner. With Azoic, I will just a little bit warm up the blend. I will press now Blaze with my finger on top of the center lid. This is like the most foiled eyeshadow I ever saw and made. It's just so reflective. And I will also apply it on the center of the lower lash line. And the last, I will use Noble for the transition between the light and the dark shade. First apply a little bit of Noble on the transition, but then you have to blend it a little bit with a clean finger.